Will you be able to survive on 500 cedis for 1 month? I see all you doubting Thomases, and call me crazy, but I'm still willing to give it a shot. I still have 21 days to go, so will I be able to make it to the end of day 30? I guess time will tell. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Antwiwaa, just in case you are wondering who this dreamer is. And on this channel, I share personal finance tips to help you maximize your finances, pursue your passions, and hopefully live a life of your dreams. And as crazy as it may sound, I've decided to find out if it is possible to live on 500 cedis for 30 days or a month in Accra. 500 cedis is equivalent to $66 or $67, just in case you wanted to know. And this is going to be week 2 of the challenge. Week 1 was crazy. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box just in case you want to know how it went, but I'm going to tell you that it was insane. And so my goal for week 2 is to spend as little money as I possibly can. Hi, so I haven't been well for the past 3 days. I got back home on Sunday from my parents, and it's just been like a downward spiral since then. So I called my boss because it's like a new week and I have to be at work. Called my boss to, let them know that I wasn't feeling well, and for the most part, I've just been in bed. Today is day 3 of week 2. I have decided that even though I don't feel entirely well, I'm beginning to feel better. And so I don't want to lay in bed anymore. I feel like the more I lay in bed, the more sick I feel. So I'm going to get up and actually do something that can make me money. Plot twist. So I'm going to be working on making items for my home decor business as opposed to laying in bed and getting weaker and weaker. I'll be the first to admit that living frugally is not a walk in the park. That is why working towards more flexibility and freedom with regards to your money is my frugal living tip for the week. I don't know about you, but I have no interest in pinching pennies and calculating every cedi I spend for the rest of my life. So if you can and you have the time and the expertise, try as much as possible to find an additional income source. It could be through freelancing, starting a side hustle, starting your own business, among other things. And if you're able to do any of those successfully, you may end up increasing your spending bracket, which will allow you more freedom and flexibility. When I did make it to work, I thought to open my laptop and see if I could at least do a little bit of work or something, right? All of a sudden, the screen goes dead. So like, this is what happens. I insert what happened. So right now, the screen is fine, it's working. Exactly. Did you just see that? So aside the fact that I wasn't feeling well, my laptop just decided that this was the perfect time to go bad. And I can't even tell you how heartbreaking and disappointing it is. I went to the Apple shop at the mall, and those people were giving me stories. I don't want to get into it, but basically the guy suggested that there could be a number of things wrong with the laptop. But if it is the screen and I need my screen changed, I would have to pay about, I don't want to mention the amount, but to give you a rough estimate, it's over half of what I paid to get this MacBook. Now that I'm feeling better, I decided to order some food, and that's like my first purchase for the week. No, that is not my first purchase for the week. But I got some banku and some okro soup. So first of all, excuse the look. I just took off my beddings and all of that stuff. I'm having boiled yam with garden egg stew, has some sardines in there, and a boiled egg. So proud of myself because I've eaten home cooked food all day long. I didn't buy any takeout whatsoever. And so for today, I have spent zero cedis. You know how I would like to spend my day off? Spend the entire day at home, do some work, and then the evening go to a karaoke bar and sing my heart out. Except my budget is 500 cedis for the month, and I've already exhausted half of it, so more than half of it if you're being honest. But if I cannot go to a karaoke bar, I can bring the bar to my bedroom. We were only lovers before the love came in. Now you be soldier, general no send me. Now I'm alone. Now way you no send me. Ew, 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 below there. I think a common misconception is the fact that people think that frugal living has to be boring. You can't go out, you can't do all of that jazz because you're in a bro. If you can't go out, you can make your own fun wherever you are. It's okay. It's just for a period of time. Very soon I'll be able to go out, sing in a karaoke bar, sing like I've lost my mind and not a soul in the world will care. But for now, we'll have fun right here in my bedroom, and that's okay. Hi, so I'm getting ready to film and I'm just about to make a purchase, and I thought to, get it on here. So I usually get data on my phone on a daily basis, which may not be the wisest of things, but I'm not ready to commit to like huge data bundles that may not end up lasting as long as you're saying you'll last. So I do the daily thing, and I usually buy data using my mobile money account. So I'm going to be transferring money from my MTN number to my Vodafone number. That's what I use. I think 20 cedis would make sense considering the fact that I'm doing this challenge. So let's do 20 cedis before I mess up the entire budget. Okay. So after Friday, I genuinely thought I was done spending any money for the week because I had enough food to last me through the entire weekend. And today is Sunday, by the way. But tell me why. Tell me why on Saturday evening I had this strong craving for spicy food. And the only thing that seemed reasonable was getting kebab at my junction. So I walked all the way to the junction to get kebab, which was worth 17 cedis. Maybe another frugal living tip will be trying to control your cravings. Maybe, maybe not.
But not least, I want to thank me.